Hi everyone, Trim Healthy Mama Coach Christina from Healthy Blessed Family. I'm coming to you live for a few minutes while my lunch is cooking to just show you my Costco haul. So I just got back from Costco, so I wanted to share with you what I got that's on plan that I was able to find. That was some of the things were on sale too. So one of the things that I got was some chicken sausage. It's on sale through the 24th. So I got 2 packets of that because that's going to make some meals I can do some freezer meals with. I also picked up the Hebrew National hot dogs, the beef hot dogs that are on plan for us. I picked up, these were on sale, so I picked up some Baby Bell cheese, full cheese, which is, it makes it an S. It's wonderful for us, right? So, for my kids and for me. I picked up 5 bags of the mini bell peppers because I eat these all the time. I also make the Hello Sipper with these. So I always end up having to have these in the house. When I run out, I run to the store. Another veggie I picked up was the cocktail cucumbers because I love these. These are grab and go. So I'll probably have 1 or 2 of these and some bell peppers with my tuna melt that's in the oven from Healthy Future. And so I did get veggies. I get more vegetables and produce tomorrow from our produce box. That comes in tomorrow morning, and I never know what's going to be inside of it. But I was needing more veggies in the house. And just so you know, I'm doing a veggie challenge September 18th through the 22nd. And I will put the link in the description when I'm done. So then that way you can go and join the veggie challenge. It's a free challenge that I'm doing. I picked up some more vanilla extract because I was completely out, and I thought I bought it last time, but I couldn't find my bottle because I need to be able to finish making my iced vanilla fat burning tea sippers that I always make in bulk. I'm not out of the collagen yet, but it was on sale, and it's only on sale through the 24th, so I went ahead and picked up a new container of it at Costco. Now, I normally get chunks, but these were on sale. So I picked up 2 bags of these because there's 28 in each of these, and my kids love the beef sticks as well, so completely on plan. This is something that can easily go in your Trim Healthy Mama bag. You can carry a couple in your purse or in a Trim Healthy bag that you just carry along because they don't need to be refrigerated. My kids love seaweed, so they always ask me when I go to Costco to pick up the seaweed, which is usually about every 2 weeks. So I go on payday to do that. I was excited to find these because I've heard about these but have not tried them. I do enjoy the That's It fruit bars. This is another alternative for your kids and also for you to put in your purse. Or your THM to go bag. It is the Bear Fruit Roll-Ups, and these are 100% on plan. They're an E. I was super excited to find this on sale, the Chobani Zero Sugar Yogurt. It's on sale through the 24th, and it is a fuel pull. So an excellent thing that can go with your breakfast, lunch, snack, whenever. Another thing that I always pick up now are the snacking nuts. There are 10 peanuts, 10 almonds, and 10 cashews are already individually wrapped. These are great to throw in your purse for an S snack. That way, if you're out longer than you plan to be, you have something. And then also I found the Bear Fruit. So these are apples, or the crispy reds and the cinnamon apple chips. These are a great E that you can throw in your purse. They're a great E for your kids to take to school or to have for a snack. There's 20 bags in here. And the only ingredients were organic apples and organic cinnamon. That's it. So that is my haul. Let me know in the comments below, what are your favorite finds at Costco? What do you normally get at Costco? Or if you have a Sam's in your area. I don't have a Sam's, so I just have a Costco. And make sure you go sign up for the free veggie challenge. I'm going to add the link so you can go and do that. And I hope that you have a great Friday. It's Friday, so have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.